These are a couple of really important apps for you to use in an online business. A website and app that I use all the time is Redbubble because it's so easy. It's like a one-stop shop. You don't have to have both Printify and Etsy to get up and running on your dropshipping business. You just need Redbubble, because in Redbubble you can do all of it. You can set up the products with the designs that you like, you can select which products you want in your web shop, and then just start uploading designs to your products in Redbubble, and Redbubble will take care of everything for you, so you don't have to do the marketing yourself. Of course you can always direct your audience, point your audience to your Redbubble webshop, but if you don't, you can still make sales in Redbubble because Redbubble will promote your stuff for you. And it has to do with the easiness of just tagging your stuff with important keywords as you upload them to that platform. Within hours, I got started on Redbubble. It was a Friday afternoon. I was creating designs, I was uploading, and within 2 hours I made my first sale. You have to make a lot of sales to make a lot of money, but as you keep progressing with your designs, the more products that you have and designs that you have on the platform, the more likely you are to get sales. And I've also got a good tip for you related to stickers, because stickers are very common to sell on Redbubble. And if you make a sticker pack, you're gonna stand a chance in competition to get that sale. So the way you do it is that you just head over to redbubble.com and you start a web shop. You put a banner and a profile picture, you write a little bit about yourself and what your shop is gonna be about, and then you head over to Canva and start creating designs that you want to put on your products. And you don't have to be an artist. You can put sayings, words, sentences, make them your own, or leave the author at the bottom. The only thing you can't do, which is obvious, is sexual violence and copying other brands or creators. So once someone orders your product, it is going to print and be shipped to your customer. You don't have to do anything, but you get the commission. So once the sale happens, once it's printed and sent, you get that commission. I use Canva for a lot of things in my business. I use it to create great thumbnails for my videos on my YouTube channel in order to attract new viewers and customers to my business. I also use it to create designs to put on my Redbubble web shop. And I also use Canva as an affiliate. So I'm an affiliate for Canva, promoting Canva to my audience. That's why I love Canva so much. It helps me create a lot of great things for my business, and I make money from it. You can use Canva to create designs for any print-on-demand platform. One tip though is to make sure you know the size of the design, like you know the pixels and the resolution of the design that you're creating for that specific platform. So if you're on Amazon Merch or Printify or Redbubble, they may have slightly different sizes of the designs that you need to create. So in Canva, there are lots of elements to use. They're already in Canva, so you can use different shapes, you can find different patterns, you can find images even to use for your designs. So that means you don't have to be a creator or a designer or an artist in order to create great things on Canva. One app that I use all the time is YouTube Studio, to obsession really, because you can follow your analytics there if you have a YouTube channel. And if that's part of your strategy in your business, to grow a YouTube channel, to reach your audience, market your affiliate links on your products, then listen to this. YouTube Studio, you can have it on your computer, you can have it on your tablet, on your phone, and you can instantly see, in real time how many views you have, how many subscribers you have on each of the videos that you have uploaded. What's also great about it is that you can follow progress, the past 28 days or 90 days or 365 days. You can follow the statistics on your channel. One word of warning though, don't check it too often, because you're gonna get obsessed and it's not good for you, because it's like when you're trying to lose weight and you step on the scale every day. It's a really bad idea. You shouldn't look at it too often. You want to follow your plan, Don't get too affected by the analytics that you see. What's important though to pay attention to is your click-through rate. If your click-through rate is really low on your video, you should try to change either your title or your thumbnail or both. Try to get the click-through rate to be at least 5% on every video. What's also great about YouTube Studio is that you can change description and title right there in your studio. So if you're on the move, on the run, you could just pull out your phone and do the changes if you think they will benefit your videos and the progress of your channel. Yeah, so that's what I use YouTube Studio for, and it's really a nice app. If you agree, give this video a thumbs up. Next, watch this video.